All right, y'all, here we go. We got 2017 Kia Optima, 2.4 liter EX. We're doing front and rear brake pads. So we're gonna start with the rear brake pad service over here. So the first thing we're gonna do, so we ain't changing no rotors, we're gonna do a pad service, pad slapping pretty much, front and back. All right. So this is my mother's car, so I would not be getting paid for this. This is a free job. So look, check this, y'all. Most people put a little rubber tube on here, try to catch fluid, bleed fluid. We're not doing no fluid exchange or none of that. Most people take the brake reservoir cap off or top when you pop the hood, take the brake reservoir cap off, you come back here, you start pushing the piston in. You stick your flathead in here, find your nice little sweet spot if you can. And then you want to push the piston in. All right, the piston is a similar little round spot. Let me show you. Come on in, huh? All right, so this little circular thing in here is a piston. There we go, my bad. That little circular thing in there, that's the piston. So you want to push it where that piston goes inside the chamber right here. All right, so you're pushing it that way. So you're taking a flathead over this way, so if you can get in there, but you really can't because you see you got a hardware clamp right here. So we're gonna have to take this bolt off right here, flip it up, push the piston in with some pliers, and then swap the pads out. It's good to be very observant. So when you see them hardware clips, you know you can't really go in there with just a flathead and just tear nothing up. What size is this on this Kia? Is this a 5.8? Oh no, this is gonna be that 14. 5.16, 14. Going bad, going hard. Everybody know me. Power less. Get on the boat. There we go. Oh, come on now. The block. And everything your out drop. We out the nut. And so I'll fuck it and fuck blood up. I do not own the rights to none of this music you hear me singing or you might listen to. Mine's down to 5.1. Let me go get my tool. I'm gonna do it the right way. Well, you know where you go. You file the truck. I really just like keeping my old school pliers because we went through so much. Pull your hardware clip out. See it wrestle with you sometimes. Take that flathead and probably there's something going right out of there. Oh. Let me get you in here. Again, another little issue. Right here. It's a little clip, and that's what's stopping the brake pad from sliding in and out. Sometimes you can push it back at the bottom and tilt it at the top like that to get past the clips because there's one at the top also. They all in there. It's the clip right there. So push it at the bottom, tilt it out, boom, every time. That's the trick to it. Put E40 in the